The search for Jackson continues on Smoke and Mirror this week, so if you're interested on this, then stay tuned to this video because I'm going to share with you guys some of the things that you can expect from Monday the 6th to Friday the 10th of October 2025, so stay tuned. Now on the Monday episode 126, Zwelethwa shares GPS coordinates with Thandiswa and decides to investigate the location himself, determined to put an end to Jackson's games, which takes us to episode 127, the Tuesday episode. Now in this episode, Phakathi advises mother to find actual evidence against Zwelethwa before she tosses accusations around. Zwelethwa gives Thandiswa a gun before he goes off to find Jackson. Now, the Wednesday episode 128. Zwelethwa tracks down Jackson, chases him into the woods, swearing that he won't rest until Jackson is dead. Thandiswa demands mother to take her where Jackson is. Now in the Thursday episode 129, Zwelethwa hunts Jackson down and is about to kill him when Thandiswa stops him, pointing out that he'll have no relationship with this child if he's in jail for the rest of his life. Which takes us now to the Friday episode now, the last episode of the week, episode 130. So on this episode, Jackson's latest conspicuous consumption riles up the depot workers who demand a wage increase. Martha wants to retaliate and strike Zwelethwa and Thandiswa, but Jackson wants truce. So that is how the week goes, and as I've mentioned, that is what we can expect from Monday the 6th of October to Friday the 10th of October 2025. And comment in the comment section, ladies and gentlemen, share your thoughts and opinions with regard to this topic, and if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like it, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, if you don't know TikTok. So thank you so much for watching this video. Let's engage again on the next one.